Now, I don't do too many of these headphones reviews, but I wanted to go ahead and share my take on the Anker Soundcore Life Q10 that everyone has been raving about. In fact, these came highly recommended to me, and here are my thoughts. Now, I didn't actually buy these for the purpose of making a review video, but instead I actually bought them because they were highly recommended by JEFE from JEFE Reviews. You may know him. He's one of the kings of audio. If you don't know him, I'm going to put his channel, the link to his channel down in the description. Check him out. He has amazing videos. If you're looking for anything audio related, he's the guy. But anyway, so I went to him and asked if he could recommend a good pair of budget headphones, and he, without hesitating, he just went straight for the Q10, and I figured let me go ahead and share with you what I think of it. So a quick shout out the box here. We have some quick facts. So the bass up technology that it comes with, which seems to be one of the things that it is known for. It has 60-hour playtime. Wow, which is just crazy to me. Quick charge, as you can see here, 5 minutes for 5 freaking hours. That is insane. With USB-C and Bluetooth 5.0 on this thing. Inside here you get the manual, the USB Type-C cable, and of course the aux cable, which always comes in handy when watching movies directly on my TV like I do all the time, or if I run out of battery or something. By the way, if you haven't done so already, please do me a huge favor and hit both the like and the subscribe button there. It's a huge boost to the channel, and I truly appreciate your support here. So as I was saying, you then have the unit itself, which is of course the Soundcore Life Q10 in black. There are other colors available, but I went for this color because it's kind of low profile and it's also pretty sleek looking. It doesn't come with a hard case or anything, but for 40 bucks, I actually, I'm not surprised. $40, that's actually a very budget price for something like this. And as you can see here, the unit folds. The arms seem to be made of plastic, and you have a little bit of metal in there. And you can also extend each one of them out. Although it is flexible, as you can see with my pull and twist test here, it does have limited flexibility with the cups since they do not swivel. They are covered here with what appear to be some type of pleather or faux leather, and it has this memory foam here for comfort. The overall headphones here is pretty light and portable, with the band more of a unibody with good clearance there. You see, I'm even wearing a hat and it will still fit pretty well, and it holds pretty firm. It holds pretty firm and it doesn't really squeeze your ears or squeeze your head too much, but it holds solid. So it's kind of somewhat of an ergonomic design here that fits pretty well and still looks pretty good. So we have just a few physical features here. By the way, keep in mind that these are not noise canceling headphones, so no ANC button. But we do have the bass on and off button here, the volume rocker up and down, which can also be used to go to the next track or go back to the previous track, the power button, which is also the pause and play button, and the mic, of course. Then you have the USB Type-C and the auxiliary port. As far as sound goes, based off my initial testing, this thing actually pushes a ton of bass, especially when you hit that bass button. So if you like anything like hip hop or anything that pushes, the drums or that pushes bass, these are the headphones to get. They're really, really pump hard. The bass is really crazy on these things. But even though the bass pushes hard, I still find the sound to be fairly clean, especially in regular mode. So when you have a regular mode and the bass is not trying to overwhelm the actual mids and highs, it sounds pretty crisp. Also, as I mentioned at the beginning, they claim 60 hours playtime with quick charge of 5 minutes getting you 5 hours playtime, which is just ridiculous. And for $40, I don't think you can really go wrong with these. Now, here's my take. My take is believe the hype. These things are amazing, especially at $40. This is crazy. It's really, really good. It's a really good pair of headphones for 40 bucks. Really good pair of budget headphones. So in my book, this is definitely a go. Hope this was informative and I hope this helps your purchasing decision. Please don't forget to like, of course, comment, subscribe, and I'm also going to catch you in the comment section and also in the next video. Peace. Peace.